How to add WhatsApp chat button to your Shopify store. Let's find out. Welcome to Ecomrex. If you are looking to add floating or a WhatsApp chat button with all the functionalities that can be customizable within the Shopify theme and free to use, no API, no paid apps, all the things that I will teach you in this tutorial is free, and you are able to add this widget on all part of the website, like on home page, product page, or on the collection page, similar to this one. If you are looking for this type of widget to retain your customers, then this video is for you. First thing first, let's move to Shopify head admin and let's start the tutorial. Okay, so we are on the home page. Once we are on home page, then we have to click on this online store button, and then there is an option for theme where all of the themes are listed over here. Once we are on this page, we have to click on this three dot and create a duplicate copy of your theme. This is very important thing because in case you add an extra line to the code, it might hurts your live website, or it breaks your theme structure. So what we have to do is we have to create a duplicate copy of the theme. Click on it and it will create a duplicate copy. I have already added a duplicate copy of my theme. So now let's proceed further. Click on this three dot and then click on this edit code. It will take few seconds to load the theme editor or code editor. Once we are on it, and then we have to move to this section part, right click on it and create a new file with the name of whatsapp.liquid. Once you write the name, hit the enter button, it will create a blank file. Now we have to paste a code over here. Uh, um, I will leave the link of this website down. This is my website. You have to scroll down, scroll down. There is an option to copy the code. All the process is written over here as well, so that all the benefits of this widget is written here all as well. You can read to get all the information. Anyways, if you are following the tutorial, you don't have it, there is no need to read it. Once we copied the code, paste it over here. Once pasted, hit the save button. Okay, our whatsapp.liquid file gets saved. Click on this Shopify icon and then click on this customize theme button. Once you click this customize theme button, it will open the theme customization setting. Oh, let me delete this one because previously I have created it for you, and hit the save button. Now you will see a theme like this one, or your theme might differs, but that's not the difference. You have to click on the add section and then you have to write WhatsApp. It will pop up my section WhatsApp ecommerce. Click on it. It will add the WhatsApp button over here. So, okay, so it's quite nice button. You have to write your number or your salesperson number over here, and some pre-filled message that customer wants to ask. And if I scroll down, there is an option to increase the size of the button. Okay, so set it to 80 px. I would suggest to keep it to 60 px. From here, we are able to change the button. It's suggested to keep it green to maintain the branding of WhatsApp. And from here, we are able to adjust the its distance from the bottom. Keep in mind that it should fine, or it should look good in the mobile version as well. You can adjust its distance from the right side from the bottom. And if I scroll down, there is an option for the pulse animation. Right now it has a pulse animation. From here we can switch it off, from here we can switch it on, and from here we also have an option for show on mobile. I usually create this type of tutorial and I help people to customize their theme or add any functionality. If you have any question, leave a comment below, and if you want to get it built, hire our services. Okay, so once it's added, hit the save button and then click on this, and then click on this view button. This will view our website. Okay, so our website is here. Let's click on this button, this one WhatsApp. Once I click on this WhatsApp button, it will open the web WhatsApp or a simple link that will navigate you towards the WhatsApp. So this is a quick tutorial and all the free code is provided to you. You just need to subscribe the channel or leave a comment below if you have any question. Thanks for watching.